In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to your calendar in Google Calendar. Sharing your calendar is really helpful when you're working with a team, coordinating with family, or just trying to keep everyone on the same page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to give other people access to your calendar, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a section called My Calendars. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share. When you do this, a small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to the calendar's name. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu of options specific to that calendar. From this menu, click on Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page with all the settings for that specific calendar. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the right one by looking at the calendar name near the top of the page. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with Specific People and Groups, or Shared With. This is where you control exactly who can see or manage your calendar. Here, you'll see an option that says Add People and Groups. Go ahead and click on that. A small window or field will appear where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. Start typing their email, and if they're already in your contacts, Google may suggest them automatically. Select the correct address and repeat this if you want to add multiple people at once. It's important to use the email address they actually use for Google services so they can access the calendar properly. Next to each person you add, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose their permission level, such as only seeing if you're free or busy, seeing all event details, or even making changes to events. Pick the level of access that makes sense for how you work with that person. When you're happy with the list and the permissions, click on Send. Google will email each person you added, inviting them to view or manage your calendar, depending on the access you set. Once they accept the invitation, your calendar will appear in their Google Calendar under Other Calendars. And that's all you need to do to add people to your calendar in Google Calendar.